Okay, so you don't like to see seams in the wallpaper. You have come to the right video. First, we need to get a nice blade, good quality. I recommend the Alpha. Um, and this level with the bevel on the side, so you can freely move the blade side to side with no problem, because that's necessary to do the cut. You overlap the wallpaper. I already have one piece underneath, then the next one goes over it like a couple inches, 3 inches. So you can see the white there, that's the excess. So I already mounted the one on the left. It's already up. So you look up, and we have this. Now you go up. You use your ladder. You go up with a level. You put it in position. Make sure it's straight. You put it firmly with a knife, scoring the wall. You go slowly. Make sure it's straight. Don't press too hard, so you don't score too much the drywall. Because if you do too much, maybe later it can open up. But if you do just enough to cut both sides of the papers, you are safe. So you go slowly all the way down, um, with patience, and you go in all the way down. Okay, once you have that, you can peel the first piece of paper. You can pull it out. You do it slowly. That's it. We have the first piece out. Now we get the second piece out. That's underneath. You pull it out. Very gentle. That's it. It's a very simple trick. You will have no seams at all at the end. This is a good trick. Use a vinyl spatula for hanging wallpaper. You can get it in any store. You put the paper back, trying to go against the left piece, the one that we just put on. You just go against it. You do it nicely, softly. As you see, you can see the seams are disappearing. No seams at all. Look at that. Once you finish smoothing all the bubbles out and making sure all the seams are tight, uh, there's gonna be a little bit leftover of glue on the top, so I do recommend using these microfiber towels. Those are the best. You clean nice with warm water. You go from top to bottom. Make sure you clean the ceiling if there's any excess. You go down, clean everything, and that's it. Voila! We have no seams, nice, perfect walls. Nobody will see the seams. It actually looks like paint when it's finished. Now, as you continue to do the work, the next piece, you put it over it. I recommend this laser. You can buy it online. It's a laser. You put it on the wall to make sure it's straight. You put it like a couple inches over the other one, and that's it. You repeat the same thing, the same what we just did, and you get this at the end. No seams. Very pretty. It looks just like paint. Make sure you prime the wall with a sizer before you do the installation, so these seams remains tight for many years, and they don't open. But see, this is very nice. This is the same paper in another wall with a different color. We do exactly the same thing. You put your level with the bevel, remember? You go down, cut one piece over the other one. Boom. Same thing, removing the excess, the top part. There's gonna be another little piece underneath. Pull out that piece as well. Very good. The primer also helps that the glue doesn't dry too quick. So when you remove this last piece, it is not too attached to the wall. So same thing. This is another spatula. Basically, it's the same. It's just a different color for smoothing wallpaper. And voila! You have the wallpaper looking like paint. No seams. Everything beautiful. This trick never fails. Look at that. Yeah, no seams. Anyone can try it. Trick never fails. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this column. Same thing. No seams, no nothing. Beautiful work. So okay guys, so I see you in the next video. Don't forget to like. Bye bye.